This is the famous in the United Kingdom Dyson DC04 vacuum cleaner, probably the most popular upright vacuum of the early 2000s in the UK. The DC04 replaced the DC01, which was Dyson's first vacuum cleaner for the UK market and is what made Dyson successful. But the DC04 is the all-improved version of the DC01 and is way better in every single way, ironing out all the flaws that the DC01 had. In this video, I'm showing you mainly the D sigil model here, which is the artistic version to highlight all the different parts of the vacuum cleaner. The D sigil is a limited edition model, but I'm about to show you some other DC04s next to it in a minute, which were actually the most common of the range, that were very popular, along with the yellow and grey one, which I don't have. This vacuum is so colourful that it looks like a proper toy, despite its size and cable. It looks like it belongs in nursery, not even primary school, actual nursery kindergarten. So the other models I'm showing you, apart from the yellow and grey one, which I don't have, were the ones that I seen most commonly in my area when I was a kid growing up. So have a look at the box and then we'll get straight to demonstrating the machine. The Dyson DC04 features brush control, so you can switch off the brush bar for hard floors and delicate rugs. This switches off the brush bar and it also stops the brushes spinning in the upright position to prevent damage to the carpet. DC04 also features a self-adjusting cleaner head, so it stays in contact with the floor even if you have uneven surfaces. It features dual cyclone technology to centrifugally separate the dust and dirt from the airflow. It's a clever alternative to using filters because it spins the airflow. So basically it's a design by nature. At the push of a button, the wand and hose are ready to reach to the top of the stairs with no assembly or bending over required. I think that's a clever design, don't you? So anyway, there's 3 attachments stored neatly on board. There's a crevice tool for your corners and edges. It's not too big, not too little, but just right. I mean, this looks like a kid's vacuum anyway, even though it's not, so I just said that Goldilocks kind of phrase, you know what I mean? And there's a dusting brush which turns 180 degrees with a swivel neck, so you can reach up high to suck up those spiderwebs, or you can angle it again so you can use it for handheld use. Become a hero in the eyes of your gal or your wife. No more screaming, "Ah, there's a spider!" And whilst you're at it, do the dusting. And there's a stair tool which also has a swivel neck so you can clean stairs and confined spaces. Here's me doing the stairs. The hose and wand can be separated at the push of a button, so you can attach either of the attachments for handheld use, like so. So you don't always need the wand, you can vacuum like this as a handheld, just the hose with the attachment on, especially in the car, makes it a lot easier. In the event of the suction being too powerful, the DC04 D sigil has an airflow release button so you can easily vacuum things like curtains. The DC04 D sigil also features a Dyson engineered low reach floor tool to reach under low furniture so you can suck up those nasty dust bunnies. It features a metal sole plate, so where the big Dyson can't fit anywhere, you can use this instead and reach under low furniture. And in a second you'll see the literature for it on the box. The DC04 has a massive bin just like the DC01, but it's still a bit of a messy machine to empty because it empties out like a jug. Like so, you just tip out all the contents. Still better than the DC01. The DC04 has a washable Premotor filter just above the cyclone. It's a clever place to have the filter because it insulates the noise and is not in the dirty bin. There's even instructions on the side telling you how to wash it. DC04 D sigil also features a Hepa filter, so it's perfect for allergy sufferers. This is not washable and is a filter that lasts for the lifetime of the machine and should never be touched. This amazing Hepa filter has a bacteria killing screen, so it kills all those dirty, offensive, obnoxious, gross, revolting, repulsive, nasty germs on contact. These are the safety features it has. For example, that was the clutch making that noise. It has an anti-jam brush bar feature which protects the belt and warns the user of an obstruction in the brush bar. In which case, the sole plate can be removed with only a coin so you can easily clean out the brush bar. This machine is fully coloured, including the plug and the cable, and the brush bar. That is a work of art, wow. The rest of the vacuum is also easy to clean. It has removable airway inspection ports that literally unclip like this valve pipe, and a YouTube. Now here's the machine in action. Enjoy the demo and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more vacuum videos. Quick shout out to Kirby Enthusiast. So if you like Kirby vacuums, go check his channel out, Kirby Enthusiast on YouTube. He's the one who inspired me to talk to the camera and actually talk to you guys as an audience. So shout out to him, check out his channel, see what he's about. You like it. Thank you.